Hello guys, welcome to my channel T Something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix a Windows 11 recycle icon not refreshing. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting off the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, in this video tutorial I will share a couple of methods to fix this type of error. The first method is that in the search box type a CMD and open a command prompt, right click, run as administrator. After opening the command, type a command is rd space slash h space slash q space c column backslash dollar sign recycle bin recycle dot bin and press enter. After that, type a exit and exit the command prompt. And after doing this, that I hope your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a second method. The second method is that go to your settings of your Windows, go to your personalization, and after that go to your themes. And after that, click on a desktop icon settings. Select a recycle bin, and first of all select a recycle bin, and after that change the icon and make sure that selected the full recycle bin icon, and after that empty recycle bin. After that click on apply and OK button and close it. I hope your problem is fixed, but if your problem is still, then you can try a next method. The next method is that in the search box type a run command and open a run, and after that type a percentage local app data and percentage. After opening that, click on OK button. After opening that, find out a Microsoft and open it. After that, find out a Windows, scroll down, and now you can see that a Windows. Open a Windows folder, and after that, find out a Explorer. Now here is a Explorer and open it. After exploring that, now after that, if any file name with DB, then uninstall it. Sorry, delete it. So in my cases are not any file with the name of .db. If any file like this, for example icon cache.db, if any files available in this folder with the name of db, then delete all .db files. After that, close it and restart your computer, and I'm sure that after doing this that your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel.